Hi, I'm James, a knee, foot and ankle specialist. I've been providing advice to patients on footwear for over 10 years, and today we're going to give you a full breakdown of the Brooks Ghost Max 2. We try to keep our reviews as concise as possible, talking about the specs, the breakdown, the comfort of fit. We talk about how useful the shoes are for walking, standing all day, and for running. We buy all the shoes with our own money so we can give an unbiased review. So first of all, we're going to start with the stack height. So that's the amount of cushioning that you get in the shoe. So you've got 39mm on the rear foot, 33mm in the forefoot, giving you a 6mm drop. Comes in at 309 grams for a men's size 9 US. It's got the DNA Loft V3 midsole, meaning that it's a little bit of a firmer ride than what you might get in something like the New Balance 180 V13. So when you apply pressure to it, it gives you a little bit more feedback, a little bit more bounce than what you get in the New Balance. So it gives you a really smooth ride. It's got a little bit of a bevel on the heel and then a forefoot rocker from the late midfoot to forefoot. So that's that curve going upwards, and it helps with the push-through motion as you walk or as you run. It's got some stability elements to it, so we classify it as a stable neutral shoe. And what that means is it's classified as a neutral, but it has some stability elements to it. So these are sidewalls that are in the heel and the midfoot. So the sidewalls are a little bit like guide rails that you get in a bowling alley. In the shoe, it tries to keep you centered in the shoe. And then in the forefoot, we've got some nice sole flare. So the sole comes out wider than where your foot sits in the shoe. Again, increasing the base of support for your shoe, giving that extra bit of stability. In terms of the fit, it's super roomy throughout the shoe, so it's quite wide in the heel and the midfoot, loads of space in the forefoot, it's true to size, no need to think about getting a longer or shorter shoe. The tongue is super padded, super cushioned, it's not gusseted, so it's important to put your laces through the loop so it doesn't slip from side to side. We got lots of padding around the heel counter and a really stiff heel counter which keeps your foot nice and stable in the shoe, what we'd expect from a maximalist shoe. So an excellent shoe overall, one of the best shoes on the market as a premium maximalist shoe. You've got other competitors with this, such as the On Cloud Monster 2 and the New Balance 180 V13, which we've done reviews on. If you've got any questions on it, leave it in the comment section below. If you found the video helpful and you're interested in more shoe reviews, do like and subscribe to the channel.